Unique, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So this video is going to be about the new ColourPop's Wine and Only collection that just launched like a few weeks ago. So if you're interested in how I got this eye look using this palette and the matching lippy and eyeliner, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the first top three. So we have Blanc, Sip Sip, that color is really pretty, and Major Chianti. I don't even know how to say that one, but see, like that swatch right there, I don't know. I have mixed emotions about that. Then the next row is Casa Chateau, Play to Wine. That is gorgeous. And the last one is Mull It Over. And then the last three are Vinter, Mon Chéri. Look at those two together, gorgeous. And Grateful. That one's really pretty too. This is ColourPop's newest release, so we're just going to do a quick tutorial slash review, first impressions. I also got a matching lippy stick, and then the matching eyeliner. I went ahead and also got a bright red, but we're not going to use that today. So let's jump into the eye look. So I already primed my eyes. Let's just jump right in. First, I'm not even seeing a transition shade like one that matches my skin tone, so I'm just gonna go into another palette, and I'm just gonna grab the first that I see. I see the Nudie 2, and I'm gonna grab the light shade here, Bum. That should work for what I need it to do. So I'm just tapping in with my Morphe brush, and we're just going to lay that down as the first transition shade. The lightest shade that doesn't have, that's a matte, is I believe Major Chianti. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly swatch these. Oh yeah, So I'm gonna go with this shade that I swatched here, which is that shade right here, Major Chianti, I don't know, but that's the shade I'm gonna go with. And I'm gonna use the same Morphe M535 brush, and I'm just going to ever so lightly tap off any excess, and I'm just going to focus that into the crease and start buffing this out. Yeah, I like the way those colors blend. Okay, I'm seeing some splotches right here, and I don't know why, but one's not blending right, so I don't know if it's me. I've never really had that problem in general with ColourPop. So, I mean, it's blending out, so that's just gonna clean off my brush. And I'm gonna go back into the Nudie 2 in that Bum shade. And I'm just gonna re-emphasize that where the two colors meet. Then going back into the ColourPop palette, I think I'm going to grab Mull It Over, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to grab a Morphe M505 brush. It's still pretty fluffy, but slightly tapered. Ooh, that has a lot of kickback. Oh my God. So now I'm scared to kind of use this. But I'm gonna, again, lay that color down, just trying to add a gradient effect going on, focusing that mainly in the crease area. We layer in colors, guys. We are layering colors. Then grabbing a Morphe M321 brush. I'm gonna grab this shade right here, which is that really dark shade Vinter. And we're gonna focus that in the outer V and in the outer corner of my lid space. I have a hair on my eye. We're just adding that for some depth. Then we're gonna go back on that Morphe M505 and just lightly blend out the corner. And then we're gonna go back into Mullivit on that brush and gently pack that on the lid where that Venter shade meets right at the outer corner. Then we're gonna clean that brush. And on the same brush, I'm going to go into Major Chianti and continue that blending gradient look we got going on. And this is super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to grab a flat brush. Any flat brush will do, and I'm gonna grab some setting spray. So I'm gonna go into the shade Grapeful with that wet brush. And we're just gonna start from the outer portion, outer third of the eye. And that's really dark, holy moly. So we're gonna bring that all the way to the outer corner. And that, wow, okay, this is gonna be really dark. But that's okay, we're gonna make it work. Okay, that color is really dark. So before we go any further, I'm going to clean off my brush and I'm going to spray it once again. And this time I'm going to add Cast a Chateau because I want to stick with this purpley, winey look. I don't know, like, I just think this will be super pretty. Yes, I was right. And we're taking that from the inner corner, blending that over that dark shade. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. I like that. I like it a lot. So for eyes, we're just gonna hold off. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then we'll come back to finish up eyes, eyeliner, and so I went ahead and did my base makeup. So before I do bronze and all that, I will do that last. I figure we can go ahead and finish up the eyes. So I want to take a, let's see. I want to take the Morphe M535 and I want to go on that first shade we use, which is this color right here, the Major Chianti. I don't know. I want to use that to kind of blow out my bottom lash line. And I want that big brush because I really, like, I want the color to be there, but I want it to spread out. Does that make any sense? Really, and I mean really tight up against my lash line. I'm going to take that pencil brush. I'm going to go into Mull It Over and I'm going to like go right on my lashes. So back with that flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some setting spray. And I'm going to go into the lightest shade that they have, which is Blanc, this light shade right here. I'm going to really dig into that shade. And I want that in my inner tear duct, top and bottom, my inner corner. Like, that is gonna be our brightening agent, if you will. So now we're gonna go in with some eyeliner and we're gonna use the eyeliner that came with the launch. And this is in the shade Wine Not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera because it could be lengthy and, you know, no one wants to. Really quickly, I'm using this eyeliner and this is what the swatches look like. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of streaky and I had to clean this up every time I reapply to try to fix it. It kind of takes off product. So I'm not really too fond of the formula of this eyeliner, to be honest with you. I love the color of it. I just wish that the formula was a little bit better. Like, even right now, it's just taking off. And I'm not getting a clean line. I've had to go in with concealer to fix it. I'm just not really thrilled at this point with the formula, like I said. I'm trying to fix it. Would it be better with a lighter eyeshadow? Probably. I mean, it is very similar to what's going on here. Would it have helped with a lighter shade? I don't know. I still have to play with it, but first impressions wise, I'm not a big fan of the. I have a Natasha Denona lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that because I don't know if this is gonna bleed, and I really don't want that. I think I salvaged my lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that lipstick. And here we go. I'm not a lipstick girl. I'm more of a liquid lipstick, so. I love the color. So here's the finished look. Overall thoughts with this collection. I do like the eyeshadow palette. I do like the colors. I do like the tone of the eyeliner. I do not like the formula of the eyeliner. I just felt like it gave me too much of a problem. But other than that, the eyeshadow palette was gorgeous. It blended pretty much the same as their typical formula. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on whether or not you're looking to try this palette. If you're interested in these colors and tones, if you liked how this look came out. Make sure you guys sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and wherever else you guys can pollinate my videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Happy New Year's, guys.